Coconut and vanilla is what it is. Now this here is one of my favourite things. This is the Edible Pandanus, and it's used for its beautiful aromatic fragrant leaves. They're used in Thai cooking, and you can smell them when you go to any Thai markets. They use it in sweets and desserts. They use it to cook rice and stuff like that. So you get this beautiful aroma, and I absolutely love this. I'm addicted to a tea just made out of pandanus leaves. I just simply adore it, and it makes the whole room fragrant. In fact, a lot of people come in and, what's that smell? Well, it's usually my tea. But it's a really lovely plant to grow. The most challenging thing about growing Edible Pandanus is it's very, very tropical. So if you're outside of the tropics, it can be a very difficult plant to grow, particularly in the winter, because it does not like cold, wet winters. So you need to keep it in a position where it's out of the rain. So if you're going to grow one and you're somewhere like Sydney or south of Sydney, you need to grow in a pot. And what that does is it means that you can move it around. So in the winter, you can move it under cover, out of wet weather, and you can move it into a warm and sheltered spot, which will increase your chances of success. Now here in Kyogle, we grow them in a polyhouse, and we do that because they are a tropical plant and they love warm, humid, tropical conditions. So if you can replicate that, you'll have great success and you'll grow beautiful plants like this, and you'll be able to harvest your leaves and experiment making these delicious, fragrant Thai desserts. You can put it with your rice, or like me, you can make a beautiful tea out of your pandanus leaves. I just love the smell of pandanus, and it's really hard to describe it to anybody who's not familiar with it. It's a little bit like cut grass, so there's definitely that fresh green smell of like chlorophyll. But then there's these sweet overtones which remind me of coconut and lovely tropical flavours. And it also really reminds me of Thailand, so it transports me to exotic places. And I absolutely adore that. So it's that lovely, beautiful, exotic smells of coconut and palm sugar, and it reminds me of Thai desserts and chaotic markets. I absolutely love it. And if you really like exotic Asian foods, or you like experimenting in the kitchen, it is a really lovely plant to grow and a beautiful aromatic plant to have in your garden just to experiment with in the kitchen.